What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply filters on Bullx. Now if you guys don't have Bullx account, you guys can go and create one from the link that I will provide in the description. And once you're on the main interface, on the right side, you will see this filters option. We'll go and click on it. We'll see a couple of options here. Now the first two are MyNoth and FreeThought disabled. I will keep them disabled because they are probably for the safety of the meme coin. So if we want to find the meme coins early, we don't need to keep them safe. That's the thing. And I'll just enable this LP burned with at least one social because most of the meme coins when released they are LP burned. And we can also set the volume around 10,000 because when there is movement there's something interesting going on that I would like to go and check out. And well, these are the filters that you can apply. That's the minimum amount of filters that you want to apply. Don't apply too much filters, it will just create complexity for you guys. We can also set market cap around 10,000, that's also okay. Once you apply the filters, the next thing is to find the correct one, find the one that might be profitable to you guys. I can also head over to this Pump Vision section, then create meme coins from Pump.fun and Moonshot. And here I'll have these three options that include about to graduate, graduated, and new creations. The about to graduate are the ones that are about to complete their bonding curve, and the graduated are the ones that have completed their bonding curve and they are on Radium, where all the meme coins are. And here you can find a couple of more filters. For the newly pairs, I like to have this def holdings about 20% because if it's above that, it might not be suitable. So we can apply 1 to 2 filters because we don't want to create complexity. And again, setting this volume around 10,000. Well, these are the filters that I recommend you to use. Again, it depends upon your own preference. You can use whatever the filters you want. And with that, the video comes to an end. I hope you like the video. If you do, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.